I learned this new smash burger trick. Take some jalapenos, put them down in the pan. Got the thing smoking hot. Some onions. Maybe not all of them, just some of them. And then I got my seasoned smash burgers. Put right on top. And we're gonna take the plate. Nah, that's not flat enough. Take something flat. We'll just smush these right down in there. Yeah. Let those cook. 3 minutes. Be right back. Three minutes is up. Give them a flippy flip. Down there, yeah. Those look good. And then 2 minutes. 2 minutes, and then we'll add cheese. Alright, our 2 minutes is up. We're gonna kill the heat. Put on some Monterey Jack cheese. And then we're gonna just cover that for 1 more minute. And then over here, I got these buns that I made from powdered milk. Yep, 1.5 cups of powdered milk, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix that all up, and then add 3 scrambled eggs. That's it. Throw it in the oven, 350, 12 to 15 minutes. And then you want to brush a little oil. I use peanut oil, and you get that nice color. These are from yesterday. I actually made a video yesterday for you guys, but it was on photo. It was on photo mode, so no bueno. It did not work. And put some more onion. Put some more onion on these. I like onion. And then we got Campari cocktail tomatoes. And put a little mustard on there. Almost. 1 more minute. Yeah. Got a little bit of mustard. And got some nice pepperoncinis, some coleslaw, and I've got chicken and spaghetti squash for the bean battalion. And I could put some Cholula on there, some fresh cracked pepper. A little bit of salt. Yeah. You can put the pepperoncinis on the. But yeah, These buns taste like sourdough bread. They taste good. They got good mouthfeel. And they're virtually keto. That's good enough. Any more and you got it all melting all over the place. I'm going to scrape it out of the pan. Yeah, put that right on our... Ooh yeah, that looks good. Jalapeno onion smash burgers. A la Jeff Tech Metal Garage. Brought to you by Tuffy. Hi, buddy. Hit the one right there. Yeah, that's the one that you want. Join the Beans Battalion.